Hello, in this video I'm gonna talk about can Samsung Galaxy A15 handle Diablo Immortal. Let's check it out. I have already installed Diablo Immortal from Play Store, so I will simply open it.
The undead. What fate has befallen Wortham? More lives consumed by darkness. Get away from those villagers! My power grows.
I have played this game for more than 2 minutes on the default graphics and it ran smoothly. So yes, Samsung Galaxy A15 can handle this game. If you like the gaming side, please like the video and subscribe the channel.